Nest of Espinaler Straw Crisps, poached egg, Iberian ham and spicy oil. We start by assembling the Espinaler Straw Crisps nest with the help of a kitchen mold. We lightly mark the center with some utensil and unmold it. In a separate container, place a piece of plastic wrap, brush it with oil and put the egg inside. Tie it up and boil it for 4 minutes. Quickly cool it in a bowl with ice and very cold water. Cut the Espinaler Iberian ham and place it on top of the nest. Carefully remove the plastic wrap from the egg and place it also in the nest. Give it the final touch with a drizzle of Espinaler Spicy Oil. Enjoy!